Hi Trent, my name is Jessica Burkhart. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'm going to go over a few tips on how you can improve your web presence. I'm going to go over some basic tips that I usually give out to most small businesses. Now, yours is unique to me in the sense that you're a supplier of a really cool product, but I can't tell if it's just local or if you are a national company. So that's something that we can chat about if you have questions and want, my assistance. So with that in mind, the tips that I'm going to give you they fit all, but typically it's for small businesses that want to be found locally. Okay, so the first tip I have is over content. Google prefers at least 1,500 words on your homepage. This includes the words your images have been saved as, and to rank above your competitors in the search, you'll need to have more content than they do. Also, use your content to work in the keywords you want to be found for. So, like fencing supplier, Tulsa. You'd want to work that into your words on your homepage. Okay, so looking at your homepage, you have beautiful photos. I mean, the website is nice, and I love that you have all these local companies willing to endorse you. Plenty of visuals for the customer. I would say you do need some more like words, actual words, paragraphs and such, and then you can squeeze in all those keywords for the areas that you want to be found in. Okay, the next tip I have for you is about citations. Citations are merely business listings in directories. You want to have your business information, your name, address, and phone number, listed in as many relevant directories as possible. A few examples of these directories would be Yelp, Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. These are paid listings, but there are plenty of free. Let's go back here. Now, listing your business information in these directories can earn you a spot in the map section. Oops. I lost my search. Okay, sorry about that. So, anyways, when you search, for a business, there's typically a map, right? Here we go. And this is the maps section. So these companies here are listed in the most directories compared to all the other fencing companies. So if you want to earn a spot there, you need to outlist them, essentially. One of the last tips I have for you is about backlinks. Backlinks will give your website trust and power from Google. They are what push your website to the top of the organic search results, which is this section right under the map section. And a backlink is really just when a website references your company. So the more relevant the backlink is to your company, the more power it's going to give you, meaning they're not all created equal. An example would be you would want your fencing companies, your local fencing companies that have used your product to reference your site. That would be a high quality backlink versus being referenced on like a pizza restaurant website. That's going to give you very little power, maybe none, just because it's not relevant to your company. And then let's look at your data here. So in this tool that I use called Ahrefs, it just gives me like a snapshot. And so you can see here it says, you had a little over 4,000 backlinks. Now, normally that's considered a substantial amount, honestly. But like I said, they're not all created equal. And so if I go down and look, this is telling me that almost all of your backlinks are not relevant. So it's not really doing much for you to drive business. And then you have lots of keywords, which is a beautiful thing. I see you don't have to pay for ads, which is nice. That's what this pay-per-click is. But again, this all comes back to relevancy. So, I mean, having 4,000 backlinks and 4,000 keywords is great, but only if it's bringing the type of business that you're looking for. And so I can see here that the tool is suggesting that you get about 3,000 visitors a month. Well, you know, are they the right kind of visitors? Are you able to convert, you know, a lot of these visitors to sales? So these are all things that we can chat about if you wish. Otherwise, you can just take the tips I've given you and see if it can, if you can make it work. And feel free to reach out. My name is Jessica, and my phone number is 614-670-1599. Thanks for your time, Trent.